Make this graphic to give your content slides a new look. First, select a rectangle shape and place it on your slide. Give the shape different values for height and width. Make sure the shape has no outline. Then duplicate the rectangle and place it diagonally opposite to your first shape. Now duplicate again and go to Rotate in your upper right toolbar. In the appearing drop-down, select Rotate by 90 degrees. After positioning the rectangles evenly, duplicate one more time and place the shape in the remaining gap. Now select the two rectangles on the left side and in Align, click on Align Right. Do the same for the two rectangles on the opposite side, but make sure to select Align Left this time. Then select the two rectangles on the top and under Align, select Align Bottom. Lastly, select the two shapes on the bottom and make sure they are aligned at the top. Insert another rectangle and keep it small. Make sure the shape has no outline. Then select a color that is different from your previous rectangles. Now place the small rectangle in the lower right corner of your first rectangle. Duplicate and repeat 3 times. Always choose the corner which is closest to the other small rectangles. Let's format the text. Do a right-click on your first rectangle and select Size and Position in the drop-down. Under Text box, adjust the alignment and direction of your text. You will want to have the text at the top of your rectangles. For the rectangles which you flipped by 90 degrees, this means that you need to rotate your text box. For this, go to Text Direction. This also means that in order to have the text at the top, you will need to select Left for the text alignment. To make sure that your text does not overlap with the small rectangle placed in the corner, adjust the margin on the side of the shape where the rectangle is placed. Make the necessary adjustments for all 4 rectangles. Again, the second rectangle flipped by 90 degrees will need to have the text aligned on the left. And don't forget to add the necessary margins to avoid overlap with the small rectangles in the corners. Once you have adjusted all the text box settings, you can choose a color, size, and writing style to your liking. With the upper toolbar, you can also decide if you would like to have your text centered or aligned on the side. Now you can move on to your color choices. Each rectangle can be individually filled in. Choose the colors based on personal preferences or based on brand colors. For the icons, go to Insert and click on Icons. Use the search bar to find an icon that fits your slide content. Once inserted, adjust the size of the icon and choose a color that ensures good contrast when placed on the squares. Repeat this process 3 more times to fill all the small squares with icons. Next, select all the big rectangles and add a shadow. This will provide more depth for your final graphic. To finalize, group all elements. This makes your graphic easy to move around or copy. And there you have it, an interesting take on a slide with 4 text boxes. Of course, you can adjust the size of the rectangles based on the amount of text that you have. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.